it's Kirsten from WTI. As I'm getting older and my teeth are aging as well, I'm finding it really important to take care of them. So that's why I use the Sensodyne PRONAMEL. So I already have a lot of signs of acid erosion on my teeth. My enamel is definitely weakening with age. So I've been using this PRONAMEL and I love that it serves multiple purposes. So first of all, it helps to strengthen the enamel that's left on your teeth, and at the same time, it helps to avoid any acid erosion. So if you are someone like me who drinks coffee every day or lemon water, anything citrusy, that can really break away and damage your enamel. So this toothpaste really helps to build and strengthen that enamel. Let me show you what the toothpaste looks like. First of all, I really like the applicator. I like how it's nice and big and thick. It doesn't get all messy when you use it. And the toothpaste itself is a really nice white toothpaste. It's nice and thick. I find when I use this toothpaste twice a day, it really helps my teeth not feel so sensitive, and it also has a really nice minty taste. I really love that Sensodyne products are great for people with sensitivities, but you could also use this as a preventative measure to help strengthen the enamel that you have. It's just a great all-over toothpaste for the whole family, and that's my point of view.